How to fix Google Chrome error, this site cannot be reached. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're getting that error in your Google Chrome, it is usually a DNS, internet or firewall issues. So you can try these fixes in order for that. So we can try opening up other website or any other web such as Brave or Edge for that, and then confirm the issue is Chrome only. Also, you can restart your Chrome and your PC. You can open up Chrome, close it up completely, and then you can restart your computer and open up Chrome once again. Also, you can clear out the DNS cache. Press Windows+R for that. Type in CMD, hit enter, and type in ipconfig//flush DNS and hit enter. After that, you can restart your Chrome once again. And also you can change your DNS server. Press Windows+R for that and then type in ncpa.cpl. Hit enter and you can go to your properties. Right click on it, select the option for properties there, and you can double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and you can select the following DNS server. These ones right here, which is 8.8.8.8, and right below it is 8.4.4.4, and click on OK and confirm it up. And you can restart your browser once it is done. Also, you can open up command prompt as administrator first. So just go over and type in cmd, run it as administrator, and then you can type in these following commands and run it, which are net sh win stock reset. Apart from that, what we can do is type in this once you hit enter, net shint ip reset. After that, type in ipconfig /release and hit enter, and type in ipconfig /renew, hit enter, and after that you can type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter, and that should do it. You can restart your PC after that. And in your Chrome, if you're using any kind of extensions, you can disable all of those extensions and restart your Chrome. But usually these are the methods you can follow up if you want your Chrome working again. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.